Bula everyone, Baron Bruno with Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Our newest rental listing is a winner. Unit 106, ground level, 2-bed, 2-bath, beautiful, fully stocked place at the Terraces directly across from Port Denarau Marina. Port Denarau Marina, if you're not aware, is where all the cruise ships come in, the yachties, sunset tours, day trips, snorkeling, and scuba diving adventures. This place is fully stocked. You see you've got everything in the kitchen you need: stove, dishwasher, toaster, microwave, tons of storage here. This place is tiled throughout. Great open sitting area here. You've got air cons in every room. So this place is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, ground level again. And we're going to show you the second bedroom that's just moving out. So this is hot off the press. So here is the second bathroom, huge walk-in shower there. Yes, it has laundry in the unit. Look at that, washer and dryer. How cool is that? You've got some great built-ins and closet space to the left. Here's your second bedroom with the ensuite, and you can see it's got a nice rain shower in there as well. Really, really nice. This place comes totally turnkey. So literally you get off the plane and bang, you're here. It's got everything you need. And how about this? Just enjoy, sit in those loungers, bring some friends over, have a barbecue. Yes, that's included as well. And you're gonna see in the background there, look at that. Oh, I'd say maybe 15 to 20 steps to that swimming pool. All this right across golf course views. If you're a golfer, bring your clubs, come out, hit around. This place is great. I know that because I've stayed here myself. You're gonna really, really love this place. It is so convenient. This is a steal. 3,000 Fijian dollars a month for this 2-bed, 2-bath, fully furnished, ready to go place. If you wanna know more, go to professionalsfiji.com or call us at +679 999 2051. You're gonna wanna get this fast because this is definitely not gonna last. These places don't stay on the market long. Look forward to seeing you here. Vanaka.